Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter data across multiple sheets simultaneously or at once. What do I mean by this is that sometimes it happens that you have some constant data or some specific data which you need as it is in multiple sheets. Let's say for example we have this sheet which has employee ID, name, salary and hire date. And suppose we want to have the employee ID and the name of the employee in all these sheets. So one way of doing that is you type the employee ID here and the name. Then you copy from here and then you paste it here and then you paste in the next sheet. This is very cumbersome and time consuming. It would have been better that when you type here in this sheet, the data automatically gets typed into all the other sheets. So how can we achieve that? First, you need to select all the sheets, and to select all the sheets, what you will do is that you right click here on any of the sheets and select the option that says select all sheets. This way all the sheets are selected. Now when you will enter data like this, you will see that this data automatically is also typed in the same row in all the other sheets. See? So now if we type more, this data also appears here in all the sheets. Similarly, if you want to delete this data from all the sheets, you can also do the same. Right click here, select all sheets, select the data that you want to delete and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Now you will notice that the data is gone from all the sheets. So this was one way of entering data across multiple sheets. But let's suppose you want to copy data from another workbook to all the sheets in this workbook. So how can we achieve that? So let's say we have this sheet, leads, and we want the employee ID and the name from this sheet to appear in all the sheets of this workbook named employees. So what we will do is that from this sheet we will copy the data, copy, and in the employees sheet first we will select all the sheets, right click, select all sheets, then paste here. You can paste as it is, you can paste values with formatting, however you want, you can paste this data. So I'll paste it here and now you will see the data appears in all the sheets. Similarly, let's say if we want to get the headers also, we'll copy the headers, but since we already have the headers in the first sheet, so we will select the remaining sheets, sheet 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can select the sheets by clicking one sheet, then holding your control key on the keyboard and then left clicking on each of the sheets one by one. And now you will paste and then you will notice that the headers appear in all of the sheets. So this is how you can enter or copy data across multiple sheets in Excel. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll be happy to address them. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until the next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum.